What up, everyone? Some challenge I've wanted to try for a while, so I'm finally going to do it. Got 5 different beers here, and they're all in a cup, mixed up. I don't know which one's which. I'm going to try my best to see if I can't pick each beer out. We're going to start with cup number 1. They are wrote on the bottom, so I'm not going to look, so then I know. Yeah, it's going to be harder than I think. So put that as Coors. Piece of popcorn for a palate cleanser. Otherwise, they're all going to taste the same. Shit, this is going to be hard. I don't know what that is. Yep, I know what that one is. That one's Coors Light for sure. What is this?
Maybe I should have put more beer in the cups.
No, there's still beer in there. I knew I'd get Coors. These other ones are tough.
Yeah.
I think the popcorn's really throwing it off too. Because these all 3 taste the same. I'm sure you can put all the same beer in there.
I'm
This is
sure.
tough. I thought I'd get the Miller Lite one too because I don't like Miller Lite. What do we have for time?
2 minutes.
No, we're good now.
Yeah.
This is going to be way harder than I thought.
Just use your best judgment.
Yeah, they all taste the same. I think that's Miller Lite. Tastes like water. This is tough. Holy shit.
I feel like you just need to stick to the one beer and keep drinking it so that you get the taste of it.
I think that's Natty. Popcorn was just bad palate cleanser.
Maybe you should have had some crackers or something.
What do we have for time?
You're at 4 minutes.
4 hours.
4 hours. 4 hours later.
Yeah, that's how it feels.
Matt's drunk. I don't know what I'm drinking
Time
anymore.
all. You're all gone.
I mean, you only got one left there, so kind
Yeah, but I might mix them around.
Oh.
Okay, I think that's my decision. I'm not so sure about it at all. But first things first. See if this is a Natty Light.
Correct.
Natty Light. I'm 1 for 1. I know I got these two right. But for sure that one. 2. Busch Light?
Bud Light.
Ah, I knew those two were going to be tough.
So that one you got wrong.
Yeah. I'm not going to chug this one because I'm pretty sure I know that's right.
Yep, Miller Lite.
Miller Lite. That one's not. Oops. And I know I got that one right. Busch Light. So that means I got the
Busch
Busch
Light.
and the Bud Light wrong.
Yep, you switched those two around.
I knew that.
That was pretty good though.
Anyways, I did, what, 3 out of 5? So that's 60%. I'll consider that win. I knew the Busch and the Bud Light were going to be tough. I did it most of the time. 60% is a D+. That's it.